Alright, so let's say you have angle ABC. That ABC. And we're going to draw another angle, and we're going to make that angle DBA. So let me draw that up here. Angle DBA. And so let me put this angle ABC, angle DBA. Now there's a couple things going on here. First, let me assign these angles some measures. So let's make the measure of angle ABC equal to, make that 60 degrees, and make the measure of angle DBA equal to 30 degrees. 30 degrees. So there's a couple interesting things going on here. First of all, you might notice that these two angles share a side, ray BA. Now, these two angles are what we call adjacent angles, which literally means they're right next to each other. They're sharing a side. What you also might notice is that you could probably really guess the measure of angle DBC, which is measure of angle DBA, which we have here, measure of angle ABC. We add those together, we get 90 degrees. So first of all, that would make measure of angle DBC a right angle, because of course right angles have 90 degrees, so we really can make that just a right angle. And we also can see that DB is perpendicular to BC, because perpendicular angles are lines that intersect other, or perpendicular lines are lines that intersect other lines at right angles, my bad. And so the interesting thing here is that these two angles, these specific angles, add up to 90 degrees. And there's a word for what they call these angles. We call these complementary angles. And these are angles whose measure add up to 90 degrees. Now let's do another set of angles. I'll show you something different. Alright, so let me draw another angle ABC, ABC, and also going to make this angle DBA. So we can give this measure of angle ABC 130 degrees, measure angle DBA, let's make that 50 degrees. So measure of angle ABC 130 degrees, measure of angle DBA is equal to 50 degrees. So first of all, we can see that this DBC is a straight angle. It's just one line. And a straight angle, it has a measure of 180 degrees. It's a measure of 180 degrees. And we can see that angle DBA and angle ABC both lie on this straight angle DBC. So they add together to make angle DBC. And if we see the measure of angle ABD and angle ABC, they both add up as 50 degrees plus 130 degrees is also equal to 180 degrees. And we have a word for that too. And that is a supplementary angle. So let me get this stuff out of the way and write the definition of a supplementary angle. Okay. So, supplementary angles. Angles whose measures add up to 180 degrees. Now, in the future, we will be using complementary and supplementary angles a lot more, but this is a pretty basic introduction to them, and it should be pretty helpful. Thanks.